Major Micron price prediction. Micron is going to skyrocket after June 24th. Why? We're going to talk about that. If you own Micron, it's going to be a good day. And in fact, we're going to see gains on the way up to that. We're going to see Micron continue to run. And then what's going to happen on June 24th? I'm assuming you know, but drop in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you if you do know what's going to happen on June 24th. And I think we're going to continue to see it run from there. A couple of reasons why. We're going to lay out and everything. So this is Micron's current chart. If you take a look from here to here in the last 63 days, Micron is up 221%. Yes, it is. And by the way, you see these little guys right here. That's a buy alert, a sell alert, and another buy alert coming in from my trading indicator that I spent over $30,000 having built. And you can see that if you had been using my trading indicator, you would have made over 200+% buying Micron, telling you when to buy and sell and lock in those profits. So if that's interesting to you, stay till the end, or there's a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. And it's literally about $1 a day to use that software. Okay. So Micron in the last year to date, 272%, 6 months, 344%. Micron's on a tear. Why? Memory shortage. There is not enough memory chips to fulfill the insatiable demand out there from NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom, you name all of these major Intel, all these major chip manufacturers. So Micron, being the leader, is really every kind of the bellwether guide that we look at. They've got a massive backlog. They've got it's just crazy, right? And they're on a tear. And on June 24th, Micron is going to announce earnings. They are going to have a blowout quarter. NVIDIA just came out, had a massive blowout quarter. We're hearing from everybody, right? Everything is not slowing down. There is no reason that Micron is going to miss their number on June 24th. It's simply not going to happen. It is not going to happen, okay? So putting some more money into Micron, probably not a bad idea. I've put some more into it because I'm holding it long-term, year, 2, 3 years. Because remember, I'm going to give you a number. These are some serious numbers you need to remember. That right now, AI data center build out for the ending of 2026 is going to be about a $700 billion price tag. That's what's being spent on it. That's going to be a $4 trillion number by 2030 and a $7 trillion number by 2033. Yeah. At the heart of that is what? Chips, hardware, memory. NVIDIA chips, AMD, Broadcom, those chips do not work without memory. Micron is the largest one there. Now, there are, of course, competitors. We know it. SK Hynix, Samsung, all that kind of stuff. It's there. Okay, but yeah, I think we're going to see it go up dramatically. So Micron shareholders have been rewarded with incredible returns over this year. I just showed you. If you put 10,000 into Micron, at the start of 2026, it'd be worth over 30,000 right now. That's a 10x. Can't even get my math right. That's a 3x. Goodness gracious. It's been a long day. Okay. So Micron's announcing its Q3 fiscal earnings 2026 on June 24, encompassing the period ending May 31. Expectations are high, and everybody's going to be looking at this. Micron has become, it's pretty close getting up there with NVIDIA. Everybody looking at what Micron is doing. What are they going to say? What's the next forward quarter looking guidance, all that kind of stuff. Not expecting any surprises here, guys. I am not. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Do you think I'm right? I think we're going to see a blowout quarter. And, I get this all the time. Micron. Why am I saying Microsoft? I got a brain worm there. Micron's stock is still not that expensive. Okay. It simply is not. Micron is capitalizing on the shortage, delivering some of the best quarters the company's ever seen. 2 quarters ago, Micron generated $13 billion in revenue. Latest quarter, it produced 23, almost $24 billion. Microsoft, we're expecting $33.5 billion in revenue continuing. That's 263% year-over-year growth. Yeah, pretty significantly impressive. If Micron can beat expectations and deliver their quarterly guidance topping $40 billion, next quarter, the stock could be in for a post-earnings rise, while may all add up to a stock that could become overvalued. I don't think it's the case. I agree. I don't think that it is overvalued. Their forward earnings ratio is 16. It's pretty cheap considering that the S&P 500 trades for 21.8 earnings ratio. Okay, so Where does this leave us? Look, I think owning Micron is a no-brainer. I think they're going to blow out their numbers. I think we're going to see Micron blow past $1,500 price tag. Pretty much all the major houses out there have come out and giving price targets in that area, $1,400, $1,500. There's always going to be those companies that say it's not worth it, that's overvalued, all that kind of stuff. I don't really agree with that. Okay, I think we've got pretty significant opportunity here. So Micron does trade at that discount because memory demand is cyclical. If the AI build out lasts for multiple years, which it will, remember I gave you that number, 700 billion, 4 trillion by 2030, 7 trillion by 2033. That is not my number. I didn't pull that out of the air. Those are actual real hard numbers that are out there. They're talking about being projected for AI data center build out. Okay. And AI infrastructure build out in general. At the heart of that is memory, period. Oh, by the way, there's not enough memory right now to go around. Oh, by the way, what does that mean? Higher price per unit, higher profit margins, all that kind of stuff. And nobody is able to fill the demand right now. SK Hynix, Samsung, Micron, there is so much insatiable demand. It is simply a situation there. Every single one of them that I just mentioned is actively trying to build out, fabrication facilities so that they can create more, period. Simply is too much demand to fulfill with the existing supply, which bodes well, good word of the day, for us as Micron owners. Okay, so I told you that I would share with you, like, look, this is Micron. That's a buy alert, sell alert, buy alert. 62 days, 239%. The software is a trading indicator. It runs on an iPhone, Android. It runs on a computer. You can run it in multiple locations. You can use the software 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in the world. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. If you don't like it for any reason, you cancel, ask for a refund, you get it instantly. No questions asked. You can cancel at any time you want, and the billing stops there. Okay. $1.10 a day is what it costs. There's a discount code with that link. There's a link in the description that makes the price even cheaper than you see on the screen. You want a couple more examples of it working? Look at this one. Marvel. Look at this. Crazy. Marvel Technology. Buy alert right there. You see it. So buy alert all the way up to there in the last 63 days, 206%. Another one, Dell. Buy alert there to look. A sell alert right there, 92%. There you go. So literally, if you had the software, it would have said buy here, sell there, 95%. $1,000 bought would have made you $956 in profit in 13 days. Those are not my numbers. I'm not making them up. That's the proof for you on the screen. Well, Austin, prove it to me. I just did. There you go. It's right there. Okay. So if you're looking for a reason to try to change and make more money investing in stocks, I have given it to you. I'm simply showing you a way for about $1 a day. You spend more than $1 a day on a donut, on a cup of coffee, whatever, a soda. A bag of chips costs you more than $1. Is your financial future worth more than a bag of chips? I hope so. Try it. You have zero risk in this. 30-day, no questions asked, refund cancellation policy. You don't like it, you get an instant refund. So you have lost zero in this equation. It's not cost you a penny if you try it. But you have to take the effort. You have to push the buy button. Well, I don't want to give Austin $1. Okay, if that's how petty you are and you're literally at this place where you don't want to give me $1, then so be it. To put $1 a day, put that in the way of you achieving your financial success. Okay, okay, cool. But I'm simply offering you a way to do it. I use this every single day to trade, every day. So why not try it? Links are right down there. A couple others, examples. Here's AMD. Look at this. Buy here, sell, buy. All these right here, 63 days, 164%. Dell already told you. Give it a look. Links are right down there. Boom. See you.